Back again with Bespoke Post, a mix of some really old school stuff and some new school stuff like this comb that fits into your wallet. As always, discount code down below if you've got hair for this, so let's check it out. There's a few things to cover in this video, so let's start with the big ones, their actual monthly boxes. This big sucker is their weekender, and exactly as the name suggests, it's a weekender bag. Basically, a bag to carry enough goodies for a weekend trip. I think you get the point, it's for weekends. This is from Line of Trade and takes inspiration from old school tool bags stonemasons used way back when. Made of a thick canvas material all around with leather accents, it's a super simple bag. Stiff bottom with metallic feet to keep the bag raised, old school leather straps to keep it closed, which in no way are quick release straps, but it gives it that authentic tool bag working man from the past vibes. There's a metal frame clutch design that gives the bag some structure, and of course a thick shoulder strap is included. I've personally never carried a bag with a metal frame, but I do feel the benefits in closing and opening the bag very easily. Other than the open vast canyon of a bag I'd say is about 30 to 35 liters worth, there's a single pocket inside for smaller items. That's it. Super minimal and simple. And look, I get it, it's not for everyone, but for those who love organizing on their own terms, let's see what it can hold. I can easily fit 6 thick winter sweaters in here, more than enough to stay warm over a weekend with plenty of room to spare as well. And although categorized as a weekender, it can definitely haul for much longer too. In actual usage, the thick and sturdy leather handles are comfortable to use, and the clothy shoulder strap allows for quite a bit of adjustability to hang by my side at the right height. Overall, the bag isn't super sophisticated, and you will start to feel the weight of it over time. I personally like using the handle over the shoulder strap, plus the bag isn't super padded, so definitely wrap your electronics in its own casing, especially since the bag isn't super waterproof either. But if you're looking for that nostalgic, old school canvas and leather combo vibe, this is it. Next is one we've seen before but fits that modern man theme. This is the Moment box that houses a pretty slick watch from BREDA. Along with the New Year, New Me goals, a super simple task organizer notebook. Checking out the watch, it's got a very clean and minimal round face. This is the BRESSON model named after the photographer Henry Cartier-Bresson. It's designed to recall the lens of a camera as stated on the website. Japanese quartz movement, waterproof, and fashioned with a slick brown leather strap and stainless steel hardware. This one's definitely a looker, and for those who want to keep it simple. I'm no fashionista, but I am a sucker for minimal design combined with leather. That's a minimalist orgy waiting to happen. Don't forget about that task organizer as well. It's nothing super special in a soft cover mini notebook, but the task page templates make it very easy to check off your daily needs and just get done. Now, if you haven't seen my previous videos, you may be wondering what these boxes are. Basically, Bespoke Post curates a bunch of rad products and puts it into a bunch of these boxes. My favorite part being they tell you exactly what you're gonna receive inside each box. And it'll only cost you $45 for what is generally worth over $70 of goods. But the kicker is, if you don't like any box they recommend that month, you can just opt out of it and skip it for that month. There's no commitment to actually buy anything you don't want. So to get started and check out what boxes are right for you, sign up with the link down below. They'll ask you a few questions to personalize your experience. Do you like smoking? Nah. Drinking? Nah. Everyday carry? Heck yeah. And so on. After the system finishes judging you, they'll spit out a bunch of recommendations based on your taste. And remember, you do get to see exactly what you're gonna get in every box, and if you don't see anything you like, there's no commitment to purchase something every month. So if you are interested to see what boxes they recommend for you, sign up with the link down below for a free account. No purchase necessary. Now, checking out some items from their actual store, here's one for you hairy folks. The Go Comb, of course, in a Wicked Ninja matte black. Made of a stainless steel, not only will this be the strongest comb you've ever owned, it'll handle any mop you have on your head like cutting through butter. Then just because, what's an EDC item without a bottle opener built in? Its most important aspect though, it's the size of a credit card and designed to fit snugly inside your wallet. Now you'll always look as slick as I do. Next up, if you're afraid of the dark or just in the dark a lot, the BioLite PowerLight Mini may be what you need. The size of a Kit Kat bar and fitting in the palm of your hand, this metal box cages a 135 lumen lantern with a built-in handy clip that you'd be surprised how many places you can actually attach this to. Better yet, you can fold it around for a tabletop light. Well, bam, the light of the future. There's several modes to choose from: regular light, stronger light, a red light to use when cycling, and some seizure modes too when you're at a rave party or something. The whole thing is built fairly tough, and even the clip, which may look flimsy, holds up against abuse really well. Plus, my favorite feature, you can actually charge other devices with the internal battery. That makes it a great emergency backup if you're ever in a rut. It's not the largest battery, but can provide up to 52 hours of light on a charge. Great to have in an emergency kit, and you don't have to worry about it breaking on you. Plus, it's IPX4 rated, so it'll do fine in the rain, just don't go swimming with it. Lastly, probably my favorite piece of non-tech and something only hipsters can appreciate, the MemoBottle in the A6 form factor. It is literally a plastic water bottle, albeit BPA free, that takes inspiration from a flask. But that's not not all, it comes with 2 caps, black and white. It's not the biggest bottle nor the strongest, but I honestly love this to death. The main reason being it makes carrying it around a breeze when I'm holding it with other objects that 99% of the time are flat. Definitely a first world problem to have, but fill up this 13-ounce bottle and enjoy looking like an alcoholic in public. That's not all though. The benefits of all things flat, although fairly wide, for bottle pockets that do allow for it, it fits really flat inside them, super easy to put away and retrieve. That's it. Don't forget coupon code down below to save 20% off on your first box. Signing up is free to check out what they recommend for you, and once you do, let me know in the comments down below what your favorite box is.